The old way is broken. For years we've been told that working harder is the answer, but the truth is, the system just isn't working for most people anymore. Are you tired of working hard, only to see your paycheck disappear as soon as it arrives? Bills, rent, groceries. It feels like your money is gone before you even get a chance to enjoy it. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, lots of effort, no progress. No matter how fast you go, you're stuck in the same place, exhausted and frustrated. This is the old way, trading time for money, hoping for a small raise, and feeling stuck in a cycle that never seems to end. But there's a new way, a smarter way. It's about working with technology, not just for a paycheck. Imagine building something that works for you, even when you're not working. Your time becomes your own, and your income isn't limited by the hours in your day. I'm talking about starting an online business. It's not just for tech experts or big companies anymore. Thanks to artificial intelligence, anyone with an internet connection can start a business from their couch with $0 invested. The playing field has never been more level. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real achievable path. It's about building something sustainable, step by step. Free AI tools can do the heavy lifting, writing, designing, brainstorming. You can focus on your ideas and your vision. You don't need to be a tech genius or risk your savings. Anyone can do this, no matter your background or experience. All you need is a bit of time and a willingness to learn. The resources are out there, and most of them are free. This guide will show you step by step how to build an online business that can start making you money without spending a cent. You'll see exactly what to do, even if you're starting from scratch. Forget the old rules. The barriers are gone. The only thing holding you back is getting started. Today you can decide to change your financial future. The opportunity is right in front of you. Build an asset that grows and gives you freedom. Start small and watch your efforts compound over time. All it takes is following a simple plan and using powerful free tools. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Let's get started on your AI-powered business right now. Your new future begins today. You might be wondering who I am and why I care about this. My name is Graham. I started with very little and learned early that traditional jobs wouldn't give me real freedom. I've tried real estate, stocks, and online brands, learning what works and what doesn't. My mission: help people like you build a better future. Financial education should be for everyone, not just the wealthy. The rise of AI is the biggest opportunity I've seen for regular people to get ahead. It's like having a super smart employee who works for free. I'm not selling you a course, just sharing real free strategies. My goal: give you a clear, honest roadmap to start an online business. You don't need to be a marketing guru, just willing to follow a few steps. I'll break down complex ideas into simple actions, guiding you from idea to your first dollar online. Let's unlock your potential together. Let's get practical. First, decide what kind of online business to build. For beginners with no money, keep it simple. No products, no shipping, no customer service. Focus on creating and sharing information. 3 great options: freelancing, selling digital products, or a content and affiliate business. Freelancing: offer skills like writing or design. AI helps you work faster. Digital products: create an ebook or template once, sell it over and over. But the best model for beginners: content and affiliate. You create helpful content, blog posts, social media videos, and recommend products you trust. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No inventory, no payments, just connecting people with solutions. It's free to start, flexible and scalable. Sign up for affiliate programs and create content using AI tools. Build it around your schedule from anywhere. As your audience grows, so does your income. This is the model we'll use for the rest of this guide. It's the perfect launchpad for your online business journey. Now let's choose a niche, a specific topic or area of interest. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Be specific. Specialists attract loyal audiences. Generalists get lost in the crowd. Think about your hobbies, skills, or things you're curious about. Get specific, not just gardening, but indoor herb gardening for apartments, not just gaming, but budget PC setups. For this guide, let's pick sustainable home gadgets for eco-conscious families. It's specific, solves a problem, and has products to recommend. Once you have your niche, content ideas and audience targeting become much easier. Don't overthink it. Pick something you won't get bored of. Your passion will shine through and attract the right people. Remember, it's better to be a big fish in a small pond. With your niche chosen, you know what content to create and who you're helping. Now let's start creating content for your audience using free AI tools. The right niche makes everything else easier. Let's dive in. Here's where the magic happens. Creating content for your niche. This is the stage where your ideas start to take shape and become something real that people can connect with. In the past, this was hard. Staring at a blank page, struggling to come up with fresh ideas, and feeling stuck was all too common. Now, AI is your co-pilot. It's like having a creative partner who's always ready to help you brainstorm and execute. Use free tools like ChatGPT for content ideas. Just type a prompt like, "Give me 10 social media ideas about sustainable home gadgets," and watch the suggestions roll in. Instantly, you get weeks of ideas, no more blank page. You'll never run out of inspiration, and you can always find a new angle to explore. Pick an idea like 5 smart plugs that save money, and ask ChatGPT to write a friendly post. You can even ask for different tones or formats. Edit it to add your personality. Make it sound like you so your audience feels your unique voice in every post. Create written content for blogs, Instagram, Facebook, or video scripts in minutes. You can repurpose one idea across multiple platforms for maximum reach. For visuals, use Canva's free templates. Search eco-friendly tips, add your text, and you're done. No design skills needed, just creativity. For videos, try InVideo or CapCut. AI turns your script into a video with stock footage and captions. It's fast, simple, and looks professional. You don't need to show your face or own a camera. Anyone can create engaging content, even if you're camera shy. In minutes, you have professional-looking content. Your brand will look polished and consistent, even if you're just starting out. Consistency is key. Keep creating and sharing. The more you show up, the more your audience will notice and engage. AI makes you a content creator fast. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in a short time. Focus on value, help, entertain, or solve problems for your audience. That's what keeps people coming back for more. The more you create, the more you learn and improve. Every post is a chance to get better and grow your skills. Your content is your business's engine. It drives awareness, builds trust, and attracts new opportunities. With AI, you can do more with less effort. You'll save time, reduce stress, and have more energy for what matters most. Let's get your first posts out there. Start sharing your ideas with the world and watch your audience grow. You've created great content. Now let's turn it into cash with affiliate marketing. Recommend helpful products to your audience. When they buy through your link, you earn a commission. It costs the customer nothing extra. The company pays you for bringing them a sale. Join affiliate programs. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Find products in your niche, generate your unique link, and add it to your content. For example, in your 5 smart plugs post, include your affiliate link. Place links in video descriptions, blog posts, or social captions. You're not being pushy, you're a helpful guide. Commissions add up. One post seen by thousands can earn real money. Imagine dozens of posts, all earning for you 24/7. This is how you build income that isn't tied to your time. It's the magic of making money while you sleep. Let your content work for you. You have your niche, your content, and your affiliate links. Now it's time to find your audience and start building your community from the ground up. Don't aim for millions right away. Instead, focus on finding your first 100 true fans who genuinely care about what you have to say. These are the people who are interested in your topic, trust your recommendations, and are excited to see what you'll share next. Start by sharing your content on 1 or 2 social platforms where your ideal audience already spends time. Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook are great options for our niche. Post consistently, whether that's 3 times a week or daily. Just pick a schedule you can stick to and show up regularly. Use relevant hashtags so people searching for your topic can find you. But don't just post, make sure you engage with others too. Join groups in your niche, like Facebook groups about sustainability or online communities where your audience gathers. Be helpful, answer questions, share your best tips, and mention your content when it's relevant. Don't just drop links, focus on building real relationships. Reply to comments, ask questions, and let people see there's a real, friendly person behind your account. Your first 100 fans will come from these genuine, everyday interactions, not from viral posts or shortcuts. Growth is slow at first, but these early fans become your biggest supporters and advocates. They'll share your content, defend you in discussions, and buy through your affiliate links, helping you grow even more. Focus on providing value and building real connections. Community is everything, so nurture it with care and attention. Every single fan counts, treat them well, and they'll stick with you for the long haul. Your tribe will grow from these early relationships. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep showing up. The foundation you build now will pay off in the future, setting you up for lasting success. One final powerful tip: build an email list. Social media is great, but you don't own your audience there. An email list is yours. No algorithm can take it away. Use free tools like System.io or MailChimp to create a sign-up form. Offer a simple lead magnet like a 10 eco-friendly home projects checklist. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, Canva to design it, and share the sign-up link everywhere. Say, get my free checklist by signing up for my newsletter. Email your list weekly with tips, new content, and affiliate recommendations. These are your most engaged followers. Trust is high, and so are conversions. Start your list from day one, even if it grows slowly. It's your secret weapon for long-term success. Take one step today, pick a niche, start creating, and build your list. You can do this.